Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share another fun Halloween embellishments that I've been working on. This beautiful coffee cup die was gifted to me from Julie Krabenhoff, who is Paper Play with Julie K here on YouTube, and I'll leave her link in the description box below. And I'm just going to show my favorites here because it's just using papers, cutting it out with different Halloween papers and using different stickers, bling, even confetti that I have here, and little nail stickers. I got all kinds of things. So this one I just distressed the edges and wrote the words boo and put a little tag on here, and that's just a little spider sticker, a little bow punch, little piece of bling. I love this one with the spider and the eyeball. I think that one turned out really cute. And this one with the little cat. And I think this was from a pack that I just got from Michael's recently. It had all kinds of different little stickers. This is a little ghost sticker from the Dollar Tree. This one is just a couple little flower punches with a bone and a little piece of bling there. And I got another one that's my favorite right here. I really like how that one turned out. It almost looks like an 8-ball to me or something. So anyways, I just wanted to share this with you, and I hope everybody's having a great Halloween holiday season. And thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye for now.